안녕하세요, 여러분. 한국어 101이에요. Welcome to Korea 101, your go-to Korean learning YouTube channel. In this lesson, I will walk you through 10 must-go-to places in Seoul in Korean. Let's go. Our first spot is, of course, you guessed it, Gangnam, the Beverly Hills of Seoul, and also became well known from the size Gangnam style. Our next spot is Hongdae, youngsters party heaven, where you can see singing and dancing and all kinds of street performances. Third is Itaewon. It is a hotspot for exotic food during the daytime and club for nightlife entertainment. It also became famous after the Itaewon Class Netflix drama. Number 4 spot is Myeongdong. Myeongdong is for K-beauty shopping and yummy street food. The number 5 spot is Jamsil, where the Lotte Empire lives, with the Lotte Tower and the largest indoor amusement park, the Lotte World in Jamsil. Number 6 place is Insadong. Insadong is an artsy place for artistic people who like galleries, tea houses, and Insadong also has the famous Samjikgil. Number 7 is Cheonggyecheon. Cheonggyecheon is a stream running in the middle of downtown Seoul with various lantern festivals for holiday seasons. Next place is Ide. Ide is a place for girly girls with feminine cafes and shops. Number 9 spot is Dongdaemun. Dongdaemun, where you can meet K-fashion at an affordable price, and the DDP, Dongdaemun Design Plaza, where the fashion shows are happening. Our last spot is Gondae-ikgu. Gondae-ikgu is also well known for dining and entertainment. But for most, make sure to check out their unique structure, the common grounds.